Flour mills stand as unsung heroes in our modern world. They are the often unseen engines that transform humble grains into the flour that forms the backbone of countless culinary creations. From the bread we break at breakfast to the pastries we savor, flour is an indispensable ingredient that enriches our lives. Flour mills, therefore, play a pivotal role in our food supply chain. These industrial marvels receive raw grain, often wheat, and embark on a meticulous journey of cleaning, grinding, and refining to produce the fine, powdery substance we know as flour. The importance of flour mills extends beyond their immediate function. They are deeply intertwined with agriculture, economics, and the very sustenance of humanity. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world inside a modern flour mill, uncovering the secrets behind this essential process. Our journey begins at the grain receiving section, the bustling entry point of any flour mill. Here, trucks laden with freshly harvested grain arrive, signaling the start of a transformation. The air hums with the activity of unloading and the anticipation of the journey ahead. Weighbridges, massive scales embedded in the ground, provide the first checkpoint. These hefty instruments meticulously record the weight of each incoming truck, ensuring accurate accounting of the raw material. Next, sampling equipment swings into action. These ingenious devices extract small portions of grain from each truck, representing the overall quality of the delivery. These samples undergo rigorous testing in the mill's laboratory to determine protein content, moisture levels, and the presence of any impurities. This initial stage, while seemingly straightforward, presents its own set of challenges. Efficient logistics are crucial to manage the continuous flow of incoming grain, especially during peak harvest seasons. Furthermore, ensuring the accuracy of weighing and sampling directly impacts the quality and consistency of the final flour product. Once the grain receives clearance at the receiving section, it embarks on its next crucial step: cleaning. This stage is vital to remove any foreign materials that may have accompanied the grain from the field, ensuring that only the purest essence of the grain proceeds further. The cleaning section resembles a well-orchestrated symphony of machines, each playing a crucial role in this purification process. Aspirators, giant fans strategically positioned within the system, generate powerful air currents that lift away lighter impurities like dust, chaff, and straw. Meanwhile, magnets strategically placed along the conveyor belts attract and capture any metal debris that may have mingled with the grain during harvest or transportation. This magnetic intervention is crucial to protect the delicate milling equipment downstream. Sieving machines, equipped with a series of screens of varying sizes, further refine the separation process. The screens act as guardians, allowing the grains to pass through while trapping any remaining foreign particles that are larger or smaller than the desired size. This meticulous cleaning process, while demanding precision and constant monitoring, is essential to guarantee the production of safe and high-quality flour. It exemplifies the commitment of modern flour mills to deliver a product that meets the highest standards of purity and hygiene. Section 4. Preparing for transformation, conditioning and tempering. Having undergone a thorough cleansing, the grains are now primed for a crucial stage: conditioning and tempering. This step may appear subtle, but it plays a pivotal role in optimizing the grain's milling characteristics. The process involves the controlled addition of water to the grains, a seemingly simple act with profound implications. The moisture content of the grain is carefully adjusted to reach an optimal level, typically around 15 to 17%, depending on the specific grain type and desired flour characteristics. This hydration process serves several purposes. Firstly, it toughens the outer bran layer of the grain, making it easier to separate from the endosperm during milling. This efficient separation is key to producing high-quality flour with minimal bran contamination. Secondly, tempering allows the moisture to penetrate the endosperm, the starchy heart of the grain, softening its structure and enhancing its grindability. This results in a more efficient milling process, reducing energy consumption and minimizing wear and tear on the milling equipment. The benefits of conditioning and tempering extend beyond the milling process itself. By optimizing the grain's moisture content, this stage also contributes to improved flour quality, including enhanced baking performance and a finer texture. Section 5. The heart of the mill. Grinding and sifting. We now arrive at the heart of the flour mill, the milling section, where the true transformation of grain into flour takes place. This is where the symphony of machines reaches its crescendo, with rollers grinding, sifters sifting, and conveyors transporting the product through various stages of refinement. The journey begins with roller mills, the workhorses of this intricate process. These mills consist of pairs of heavy rollers, often made of chilled iron or steel, rotating at precisely controlled speeds and gaps. The grain, guided through a series of these rollers, undergoes a progressive grinding process, each stage reducing its size and transforming it into finer and finer particles. As the grain passes through the rollers, it undergoes a remarkable metamorphosis. The outer bran layer is gently separated, while the endosperm, the starchy core, is ground into flour. This separation is not a one-step process, but rather a carefully orchestrated dance of repeated grinding and sifting, ensuring optimal extraction and minimal bran contamination. Sifters, large box-like structures equipped with multiple layers of finely woven silk or metal mesh screens, play a critical role in this separation process. They act as gatekeepers, allowing flour particles of desired fineness to pass through while diverting larger particles, including bran fragments, for further grinding or separation. This intricate dance of grinding and sifting continues through multiple stages, each pass refining the flour and ensuring consistent particle size and quality. The result is a steady stream of fine, powdery flour, ready for the next